The full story of Albert Einstein, the genius who changed the universe. Chapter 1. A different kind of child on a chilly day in March 1879. In a quiet little town called Ulm in Germany, a baby boy was born to a Jewish family. His name was Albert Einstein. His dad, Hermann, was an engineer and salesman. His mom, Pauline, loved music and played the piano. From the very beginning, Albert seemed different. He didn't speak until the age of 3. People thought something might be wrong. He often repeated words to himself quietly and didn't like loud environments. But his mom had a feeling this child was thinking deeply in ways others couldn't understand. Chapter 2. A compass that changed everything. When Albert was just 5 years old, his dad gave him a small compass. It wasn't just a toy for Albert, it was magic. He stared at it for hours, wondering, why? Does the needle always point north? What invisible force is doing this? That moment ignited his curiosity about physics, forces, and the mysteries of the universe. Chapter 3. School vs. Einstein's school? Not his thing. He found traditional schools boring, too strict, and full of memorization. Albert was a free thinker. Teachers called him lazy or rebellious, but the truth was, he just learned differently. Still, he loved mathematics and science. By the age of 12, he was teaching himself algebra, geometry, and even reading college-level physics books. Later, his family moved to Switzerland, where he attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, studying physics and math. Chapter 4. A genius hiding in a patent office after graduation. He couldn't find a job as a teacher, so he worked at a patent office in the city of Bern. It was a simple job reviewing inventions, but this job gave him something valuable: time to think. While working there, Albert would daydream about light beams, clocks, and moving trains. His brain was building something huge. Then came the legendary year, 1905, aka the miracle year, Annus Mirabilis. Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers, including Brownian motion proving atoms exist, photoelectric effect, the foundation of solar technology, special relativity, showing that time and space are not absolute, and the famous formula, NE equals mc. This meant energy equals mass speed of light, an equation that changed physics forever. Chapter 5. Fame, awards, and changing the world. By the 1920s, Einstein was a superstar of science. Scientists, students, and journalists all wanted to hear from the man with wild hair and wilder ideas. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for relativity surprisingly, but for the photoelectric effect, which helped pave the way for solar panels and quantum theory. He traveled the world giving lectures and became a symbol of intellect and peace. Chapter 6. Escaping the Nazis and saving the world. In the 1930s, Adolf Hitler rose to power in Germany. As a Jewish scientist and an outspoken opponent of war, Einstein was in danger. He left Germany and moved to the United States, settling at Princeton University. In 1939, he wrote a famous letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Nazi Germany might be developing a nuclear bomb. That letter helped launch the Manhattan Project, which later created the atomic bomb. Although he helped start it, Einstein deeply regretted it. He became a powerful voice against nuclear weapons and advocated for global peace. Chapter 7. Final years and a never-ending quest. Albert spent his final years searching for a unified field theory, a way to connect all the forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, etc., into one single framework. He never finished it, but he never gave up trying. Einstein passed away in 1955 at the age of 76 in Princeton, New Jersey. But his legacy? It's still alive in every physics class, every space mission, and every curious kid asking, why? The moral of Einstein's story? Einstein wasn't born a genius. He struggled. He failed. He got rejected. But what made him special was his imagination, curiosity, and refusal to accept limits. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Albert Einstein.